Hello again, welcome to today's attempt of a connections game, 16 clues, and we have to divide them into 4 connected groups of 4. Loads of short words today, which they're so short they can have so many different meanings, I think, so this might be tricky, but we'll see if we can find anything to get us started with. Pho is, or pho, I think it's pronounced, it's Vietnamese food. But I don't know if I can see any other foods, and I don't know if I can think of anything else that that word can mean, so automatically I'm at a little bit of a loss. Party, study, sleep, repeat, that's probably a group, isn't it? Things you do at uni. Verbs in a college life slogan, yeah, that's basically what I meant. What else? Pip and runt could be in the same group, as in the smallest one in the litter is the runt, like a pipsqueak. I suppose a seed could go in that group, but I don't know what the fourth one would be. Maybe a pip, a seed, and a stone goes... Oh, and a pit, yeah, they're all in the middle of fruit, so it's not runt at all. Yeah, reproductive part of fruit. Okay, that's 2 groups done. What else? A den. Don't see how that links to anything. Shopping spree. You can go mad, you can go on a spree. I feel like there's something American going on, just because I'm very worried about nerd, because I know that nerds is a sweet or something in America. And with the alternative meaning of nerd, as in like a geek, I can't see how that's going to link to anything, so I'm very worried that there's something to do with American brand names that I don't recognise. Because I don't know what else is going on. It might be that there's so many 3-letter words. It feels like 4 of them are going to go together, but I'm not quite sure why. I still think you can go mad, you can go on a spree. It just doesn't work with any of the others. But then how does this work with anything? And this, and this, and this, and everything else? This is 1 letter away from the Greek letter rho, but that's clearly too esoteric to be correct, isn't it? A mad dash, dot and dash. A spree is sort of like a dash. And then running is sort of like dashing, but it's not even running. I really don't think this is correct, but I've got to go for something. It's 1 away. Interesting. You can go on a spree, you can go mad. What if we took away dot and put in nerd? Because then at least we are left with 4 3-letter words. That's still 1 away. Okay, clearly I'm guessing now, but either that means that it's neither dot or nerd, and we need to pick one of the other 3, or it means that it is both dot and nerd, and we need to get rid of one of the others. I might get rid of mad, because then at least, again, we've got the 3-letter word group potential. There we go. It is fruit-flavoured candy. I knew it was going to be an Americanism. You've clearly got dots, nerds, runts, and sprees. I've only heard of nerds out of those. Now, what on earth links these? Faux sac, den, mad. Absolutely no idea. Starts of US capitals. Oh, wow, another American-centric group. Sacramento, maybe? Faux mad. Madeline? Is that a capital? Den and faux. I don't know what those are. That is a super difficult group for a non-American. That was a super difficult pair of groups at the end. I've got absolutely no idea how I succeeded there. A little bit of luck and a little bit of educated guessing. That is somehow a solved connections game. Let me know if you struggled with this one as much as I did, and if you did, let me know whether you're American or not. That was tricky, but we got there somehow. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.